Hello guys, Insta360's Link 2 and Link 2C webcams have raised the bar for image quality, features, and functionality. This review will dive into the key similarities and differences between these two exceptional webcams. Design and connectivity. The Insta360 Link 2 and Link 2C webcams feature a sleek, rectangular design that optimizes functionality and aesthetics. The camera is strategically positioned on the left side, while the microphone is located on top to capture crystal-clear audio. A notable distinction between the two models is the Link 2's integrated gimbal, which enables seamless horizontal and vertical rotation, allowing for effortless tracking and framing adjustments. Setup is remarkably easy, thanks to the magnetic connection to the included stem. Both webcams are powered via USB Type-C, providing fast and convenient connectivity. Additionally, they come with a USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-C to USB-A adapter, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. This thoughtful design enables effortless installation, flexible positioning, and reliable connectivity, making these webcams ideal for professionals, content creators, and anyone seeking high-quality video conferencing solutions. Image quality. The Insta360 Link 2 and Link 2C webcams boast impressive half-inch sensors, capturing stunning 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. This exceeds the quality of most built-in laptop webcams, producing crystal-clear videos with vibrant colors and sharp details. Through Insta360's Link controller software, users can access advanced features, including natural bokeh and blur, for professional-looking depth of field, seamless background replacement for enhanced video conferencing, and a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio optimized for mobile-friendly video. These features combine to deliver exceptional image quality, creative control, and effortless video production. AI features. The Insta360 Link 2 and Link 2C webcams showcase advanced AI-powered features, elevating video conferencing and presentation capabilities. The Link 2 boasts AI tracking, automatically detecting and tracking individuals or groups, maintaining sharp focus even as they move. Conversely, the Link 2C features intelligent auto-framing, seamlessly zooming to ensure everyone remains centered. Both webcams also incorporate whiteboard mode, expertly detecting and enhancing whiteboard content within the frame, optimizing visibility and readability. These innovative features streamline video communication, minimize distractions, and enhance overall productivity, making them ideal for remote meetings, lectures, and collaborative workflows. Audio. The Insta360 Link 2 and Link 2C webcams boast advanced audio capabilities, featuring 3 distinct modes to cater to diverse needs. Voice-focused mode prioritizes vocal clarity, ideal for video conferencing and online meetings. Voice suppression mode minimizes background noise, ensuring seamless communication. Music balance mode optimizes audio for multimedia applications. By selecting the Link series as the audio source, users can guarantee crystal-clear quality audio on third-party platforms, including Zoom, Skype, and Google Meet. This ensures professional-grade sound, free from distortion, echo, or interference, enhancing overall video communication and collaboration experiences. Conclusion. The Insta360 Link 2 and Link 2C webcams set new standards for image quality, features, and functionality. Choose Link 2 for AI tracking or Link 2C for auto-framing and high-quality video without AI tracking. Whether you're a remote worker, content creator, or educator, these webcams deliver exceptional performance.